1 minute. So these digital thermometer will work on the principle of what? Principle of what? By understanding the temperature measuring sensors. That is the principle which is behind this digital thermometer. Do you want to see the digital thermometer, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will show you. You can see that. So in this also, the temperature will ranges from maximum to minimum. So it can measure understanding even up to like, it is not very high temperatures. It is even made with the plastic. Is it yes or no? Have you noticed it? You may,
Yes, sir.
it is made with even plastic, so it can measure even like understanding 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50, like till we can go 60, 70 degrees Celsius. So now let us see. I will show that understanding what is that digital thermometer, how it is present, and how we need to do it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what we used to call as the digital thermometer. What we should call this one? This is only called as
Digital thermometer.
digital thermometer. So what is the temperature reading? What it is showing here? What is the temperature range here showing it?
37 degrees Celsius.
So that is what. If you'll keep here, have you noticed it? Some kind of a sensor is there, little bit different color. So this one, if you'll keep understanding, if this one, if you'll keep inside your mouth, so that it will sense the temperature of our body and it will be displayed here. So that is why it is work with the based upon the sensor, temperature measuring sensors. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what about digital thermometer. I hope you understand very well digital thermometer. What is digital thermometer? Yes? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Thermometer is a thermometer which is understanding free from mercury. That is what you should remember first. It is free from mercury.
Yes, sir. Free from mercury.
Mercury, which will works with what? Which will works with? Which will works with what?
Yes,
Measuring sensors. Understand? So this is all about the
yes, sir.
type of temperature device, and if it comes to the last one which we are going to study is understanding last type of temperature measuring device called as maximum and minimum temperature. Maximum and minimum thermometer.
Maximum and minimum thermometer.
Maximum and minimum thermometer. Note it down. Maximum and minimum thermometer. Is it yes or no? Now, let us comes to here. Let us discuss. You may know that weather forecasting department. Do you know weather forecasting department?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then in phone and all, they will only give that.
Weather forecasting department, or else we can call it as meteorological department. What we should call? Meteorological department. Understand?
Meteorological department.
Maximum temperature which we can read, minimum temperature which we can read, like that. So here you may see in the daytime, for example, you can take particular day. Today let us take. Today you can take. So when we can measure the maximum temperature? During afternoon time. Is it yes or no? During afternoon.
Yes. Why, sir, we want to check afternoon time?
Because by the time only sun is close to the earth and the light rays will fall very fastly to the earth, so that it will measure the maximum temperature. Understanding, Mari? During afternoon,
yes, sir.
It will show the maximum temperature. Understanding? Same way during morning and evening. During morning or evening.
Morning and evening.
Morning or evening, it will show minimum temperature. Is it yes or no?
Yes.
Minimum temperature. And you may notice it nowadays, because of smartphone, we are getting the temperature at instant, even at this present, at this moment, what is the temperature? Understanding? At next, what is the temperature? Before, what is the temperature? Like this, we are going to get. And nowadays,
the clock itself, we can see the temperatures.
In that cell phone display itself, we are getting that information. Is it rainy or cloudy? Yes. So this is all what based upon this, how they are measuring. Before, if you'll see, they used to measure the yesterday's maximum temperature. News you may get. Today, Pudukkottai, maximum temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Sorry, minimum temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature is 42 degrees Celsius. Like that they used to say. Have you noticed it? TV, newspapers, they will report. Whether,
yes, sir.
Understand? Yes or no? So in weather, all Yeah, all the TVs and newspapers and all will come. The maximum and minimum temperature in a particular area. How will measure means by using this weather forecasting department. Understanding weather reporters. Weather reporters understanding. So we'll measure by using a thermometer called as name is what? They will measure by using a thermometer called as what? Maximum and
Maximum and minimum
maximum
thermometer.
minimum thermometer. That is what we used to call it as.
Sir, there is a picture for it.
Yeah, the maximum minimum thermometer. I will show you. Maximum minimum thermometer. Is it okay, Mari? Okay.
Yes.
Minimum thermometer. So now you should write the definition of this one. Right. There is a special thermometer called. There is a special thermometer called. Write it here. Maximum minimum thermometer. There is a special thermometer called there is a special thermometer called maximum and minimum thermometer. Maximum and minimum thermometer called maximum and minimum thermometer which measures or records records maximum and minimum temperature in a particular day automatically. That is what most important. Understanding automatically. Understand, Mari? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Automatically. AUTO. Understanding? Yambo. That is what you should run. Few times I will write wrong spellings. You should tell me by that time. What is automatic
Yes.
spelling?
AUTO auto. MA.
Automatic. Understanding? Automatically. Okay, Mari? AUTOMA automatically. So this is what we used to call as maximum and minimum temperature. Is it okay, Mari? Yes or no?
Yes.
So now you want maximum and minimum temperature, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Maximum minimum thermometer. 1 minute. So observe this maximum minimum thermometer, how it will be present. Or it is like a normal thermometer only, but you may observe little bit different.
Okay.
So this is all about today's session. I will show you the maximum minimum thermometer. So later we people can end this class. So this is what maximum minimum thermometer, which is used by which department? Meteorological department. Is that?
Meteorological department.
Department.
Meteorological department.
Means in the sense of this is what? Do you understand, Mari? It will be looks like this. It will
Yes,
be
sir.
like this. So, which we used to measure the maximum and minimum temperature in a particular day, used by whom? Used by meteorological department or
Meteorological department.
forecasting department, weather forecasting department. So this is all the, you can see, this is all the maximum minimum thermometers only. Is it okay, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Can you able to understand, Hari? This is all you see. So this is all we used to
Yes,
call
sir.
maximum minimum thermometer. Here in this picture you may see. Can you able to see, Mari? Very clearly you can see.
Yes, sir.
So that is what. So this is only we used to call as maximum minimum thermometer. So with this I will stop the today's session in understanding. In the next class we will study transfer of heat. What will study? What will study?
Transfer of heat.
Of heat and the conversion of this temperature from one scale to another scale, means from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit and degree Fahrenheit
Fahrenheit.
understand, degree Celsius, that is all we'll study in the next class. Means in the sense of like what we conversion of heat energy, sorry, temperature from one scale to another scale. That is only we are going to study. So I will teach you more in detail about this unit conversion in the next class, and we'll solve so many numericals. Later only we can go transfer of heat, understand, in three different kind of substances. You know that we have a three different kind of matter. What is that, Mari and Hari? Can you able to say? We have a three matter. What is that? We have three types.
Solid, liquid, and gas, and also another one, sir, plasma.
Yeah, that is plasma. Okay, plasma is not there. No, plasma is not existed. It is existed in the universe, not in the atmosphere.
Gas.
Yeah, it is existed in the universe,
Yes.
not in the atmosphere. Okay. Okay, Mari.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so that we'll study the heat is transferring from one object to another object. What we should call, what is the modes of heat transfer, how this heat will transfer, and what is the modes means methods of heat transfer. That is all we'll study in the next class. So with this I will stop. Can I end the class? Thank you all of you.